Are you struggling with how to efficiently save lengthy form inputs on your server? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the best practices for auto-saving data without overwhelming your database. I totally get it. Making database calls on every autosave can feel like a recipe for disaster, especially when you have multiple app servers. It's a common concern among developers, and it can lead to performance issues. Let's break down the specific question at hand. One user asked, what would be a good approach to save lengthy form inputs at the server without making too many database calls? They also mentioned having 3 app servers, which complicates things further. Sound familiar? Let's explore some solutions. So what's the issue here? Making frequent database calls can lead to performance bottlenecks, especially with multiple servers. We need a strategy that minimizes database interactions while ensuring data consistency across all servers. Stay tuned. I have a fantastic solution that involves using Redis for caching, and I'll explain how to manage data consistency across your servers. You won't want to miss this. To address the user's concern about saving lengthy form inputs efficiently, we can implement a strategy that minimizes database calls. First, the user should consider using Redis as a temporary storage solution for the form data. Next, the user can set up a mechanism to batch the data. Instead of saving each input immediately, they can collect inputs over a short period and then save them in bulk to the database. Now, to handle the challenge of having 3 app servers, the user should implement a message queue system. This will ensure that all save requests are processed in the order they are received. Finally, the user should configure Redis to expire the temporary data after a certain time, ensuring that stale data does not accumulate. This will help maintain optimal performance. Fun fact, Redis is named after the word remote dictionary server. It's a powerful tool that can make your data handling much more efficient. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests a structured approach to optimize autosave functionality. They start with the direct database approach, where each update goes straight to the database. However, they caution that this can lead to performance issues with many requests. Next, they recommend considering a schemaless database for non-transactional data, which allows for easier updates without blocking resources. This can be beneficial for large amounts of data. The user then introduces an application layer caching approach. Here, some data is saved temporarily in the application layer before being sent to the database, which helps distribute the load. Finally, they discuss a custom caching solution using Redis or similar technologies. This method involves creating a cache layer to reduce database calls, which is ideal for large-scale applications. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution involves setting up a 3-node Redis cluster. This configuration ensures data replication, with writes occurring only on the master node. Adding a slave node is straightforward using the slave of command. This setup allows for efficient data replication without relying on temporary disk storage. Here's a pro tip. Always monitor your Redis memory usage and set appropriate expiration times for cached data to avoid memory bloat. This will keep your system running smoothly. And there you have it. By using Redis for caching and implementing a queuing system, you can efficiently manage lengthy form inputs across multiple servers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.